Have you ever wondered what superfoods can do for your health? Well, it's time to unravel the mystery. Superfoods are not your ordinary, run-of-the-mill foods. They are, in fact, nutritional powerhouses that bring to your plate an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all bundled up in a package of minimal calories. Now you might wonder, what makes a food a superfood? The answer lies in their nutrient density. Superfoods are teeming with beneficial compounds, offering us a plethora of health benefits without adding unnecessary calories to our diet. They are a key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant life. But don't just take our word for it. Scientists across the globe have been studying these foods and their impact on our health for years. And what they've found is nothing short of impressive. Superfoods can boost your immune system, fight inflammation, and even ward off chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. The antioxidants they contain help to combat the harmful effects of free radicals, those pesky molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to aging and diseases. But wait, there's more. Superfoods are not just about being healthy, they're about feeling great too. Consuming these foods can enhance your energy levels, improve your mood, help maintain a healthy weight, and even boost your brain power. Now, it's important to note that no single food, no matter how super, can offer all the nutrition, health benefits, and energy we need to nourish our bodies. A balanced, varied diet that includes a range of superfoods and regular physical activity is the winning combo for optimal health. So, what's on the menu? From vibrantly colored fruits and vegetables to lean proteins and healthy fats, the superfoods list is diverse and delicious. And the best part? Most of these foods are easily accessible and can be incorporated into your diet effortlessly. Now that you know what superfoods are, let's dive into the top 5 you should include in your diet. Get ready to embark on a flavorful journey to optimal health, one superfood at a time. Starting off our list at number 1, we have blueberries. These little gems of nature, often referred to as a superfood, pack quite the nutritional punch. And it's not just their vibrant color that makes them stand out. It's what's inside that truly matters. The nutritional profile of blueberries is something to marvel at. They are chock full of essential nutrients that our bodies crave. High in dietary fiber, they aid in digestion and keep you feeling full longer. But that's not all. Blueberries also offer a substantial amount of vitamin C, a necessary antioxidant for our bodies. This vitamin not only boosts our immune system, but also aids in collagen production, which is essential for skin health and wound healing. Now, let's talk about antioxidants. These are powerful compounds that help protect our bodies from damage by free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cellular structures. This is where blueberries really shine. They are incredibly rich in antioxidants, particularly a group called anthocyanins, which give blueberries their deep blue color. These antioxidants have been linked to numerous health benefits. For one, they are known to combat aging. This doesn't mean you'll find the fountain of youth in a blueberry, but including them in your diet can help keep your cells healthier for longer, promoting overall longevity. Blueberries are also champions for brain health. Research suggests that the antioxidants in these berries could delay brain aging and enhance memory. They've even been found to reduce the risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Furthermore, studies have shown that the antioxidants in blueberries can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. They do this by reducing inflammation and preventing damage to your DNA, the molecule that holds the instructions for growth, development, functioning, and reproduction of all our cells. Quite impressive for a small berry, isn't it? Indeed, blueberries might be small, but they are mighty. Including them in your diet can offer a wide array of health benefits, from fighting aging to improving brain health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. They truly deserve their spot as number 1 on our list. Next up, at number 2, we have the leafy green powerhouse, kale. You might have seen this vibrant green vegetable in salads or smoothies, but did you know that it's one of the world's most nutrient-dense foods? Let's talk about vitamins first. Kale is a spectacular source of vitamins A, K, and C. Just 1 cup of raw kale provides more than your daily need for these vitamins. Vitamin A supports healthy vision and immune function. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. As for vitamin C, it's a potent antioxidant that boosts your immune system, aids in collagen synthesis, and enhances iron absorption. Speaking of iron, kale is a good plant-based source of this mineral. It's important for producing red blood cells and transporting oxygen throughout your body. Now, let's not forget about calcium. While dairy products are commonly known as the go-to source for this mineral, kale holds its own quite well. Calcium is vital for strong, healthy bones and teeth, and it also plays a role in muscle function and nerve transmission. But the benefits of kale extend beyond just vitamins and minerals. This leafy powerhouse is also packed with dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full, supporting weight management. Moreover, kale is high in antioxidants. These compounds help combat oxidative stress in your body, which can lead to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. And the best part, all these benefits come with a low calorie count, making kale a superfood in the truest sense. Whether you decide to toss it into your salad, blend it into your smoothie, or bake it into crispy kale chips, this versatile veggie can easily find its way into your diet. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't just walk past the kale. Pick up a bunch and reap the multitude of health benefits it has to offer. Kale truly is a nutrient powerhouse. Moving on to number 3, we're going underwater with salmon. This pink-hued fish is not only a crowd pleaser when it comes to taste, but also a veritable treasure trove of nutrients. Salmon is famously rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Now, what's so special about these? Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of fat our bodies can't produce on their own, meaning we have to get them from our diet. This is where salmon steps up to the plate. These fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our brain cells and reducing inflammation throughout the body. They also help keep our heart in good shape by lowering the levels of blood fats, called triglycerides, and preventing blood clotting. But the goodness of salmon doesn't stop at omega-3s. This fish is also an excellent source of B vitamins. These vitamins support energy production, DNA repair and production, and the reduction of inflammation. So every time you're enjoying that delicious piece of grilled or baked salmon, remember you're doing your body a big favor. And let's not forget about potassium. Often overshadowed by the more popular nutrients, potassium is a silent hero that helps control blood pressure and regulate heart function. It's a little-known fact that salmon contains more potassium than an equivalent amount of banana, a food often associated with this mineral. With all these nutrients packed into one tasty package, it's clear that salmon is a superfood that deserves a spot on your plate. It's a versatile fish that can be prepared in various ways, from grilling and baking to broiling and poaching. So whether you're a fan of sushi, enjoy a good salmon fillet, or love a smoked salmon bagel, remember that you're choosing a food that's as good for your body as it is satisfying to your palate. Salmon isn't just tasty, it's excellent for your heart and brain health too. At number 4, we have a crunchy and nutritious snack, nuts and seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with fiber, healthy fats and protein, a trio of nutrients that can significantly aid in weight management. How, you ask? Well, fiber slows digestion, helping you feel full for longer, thereby curbing overeating. The healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts and flax seeds, play a crucial role in maintaining heart health. Meanwhile, protein is a key player in building and repairing body tissues. Almonds, for instance, are high in vitamin E, which supports skin health, while chia seeds are a great plant-based source of omega-3s. Sunflower seeds, on the other hand, are packed with vitamin E and selenium, promoting a healthy immune system. So the next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for some nuts or seeds. Last but not least, at number 5, we have the creamy and delicious avocado. This buttery fruit is a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a myriad of health benefits. Avocados are brimming with healthy fats, primarily monounsaturated fats, which support heart health by reducing levels of bad cholesterol. This makes them a heart-healthy choice that can assist in combating heart disease. Furthermore, avocados are an excellent source of dietary fiber, helping to maintain a healthy digestive system and potentially aiding in weight management. They're also packed with essential vitamins like K, E, C, and various B vitamins that contribute to overall health. But there's more. Avocados contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to support eye health, reducing the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. So, the next time you're whipping up a salad, sandwich, or smoothie, don't forget to add in some avocado. Avocados are not just for making guacamole, they're a superfood that's incredibly nutritious. So there you have it, the top 5 superfoods for optimal health. In a world filled with so many food choices, it's essential to make selections that pack a nutritional punch. Each of the superfoods we've discussed today, blueberries, kale, salmon, nuts and seeds, and avocado, bring their unique set of health benefits to the table. Blueberries, those little spheres of goodness, are not only delicious but also filled with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. They're champions in fighting aging and boosting brain health. Then there's kale, the leafy green powerhouse, loaded with vitamins A, K, and C, along with essential minerals. It's your go-to for healthy skin, hair, and bones, and it's a reliable ally in maintaining blood pressure levels. Salmon, the heart-friendly fish, is a treasure chest of omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, and potassium. The omega-3s in salmon are instrumental in brain health, reducing inflammation, and potentially lowering the risk of heart disease. Nuts and seeds, although tiny, are mighty in their delivery of fiber, healthy fats, and protein. They're perfect partners in your weight management journey, keeping you full and satisfied for longer. And last but not least, the versatile avocado, brimming with healthy fats, fiber, and a range of vitamins. This creamy delight supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and is a boon for eye health. Each of these foods, in their own way, contribute to optimal health. They're not just foods, they're health boosters, disease fighters, and wellness promoters. And the best part? They're all readily available and can easily be incorporated into your everyday meals. Remember, good health starts with good nutrition. It's about making conscious choices every day, choosing foods that nourish and sustain you, foods that work for your body, not against it. So why not start with these 5 superfoods? Thank you for joining us today on Health in 5. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.